took my love, took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart?
May ganun kasi minsan eh. Yung uhaw ka, tapos gusto mo tubig
Can I
talaga.
sail through the changing ocean tide?
Ganun.
Can I handle seasons?
Okay na to. So, ano na yung magawa dito?
I wish we could go back in time to those days that made us who we are. But I know you had to go and live your life,
Lungas po. Tapos po.
and I also had to go. So I'll call you my friend, 'cause I miss what we have been. You say you're doing fine, you also miss those times. I wish we could go back in time. Home videos remind me why. Dancing in the kitchen at night until the break
Babasahin ko kamay.
morning light. So I'll call you my friend, 'cause I miss what we have been. You say you're doing fine, you also miss those times. So I'll call you.
Start yung pinaka-plum mo.
Ganyan. In fairness, nagawa ko yung petal. Ayun mo sa tabi ni ate.
Sa Tagalog ay bato.
Ang laki ng tipid mo kapag yung
So, hindi mukha yung mukha ko, hindi niya matrack.
perfect.
Pwede ka na lang kahit a day night.
Ang ganda, oh, tignan mo yung
Grabe naman, digit.
Tapos pwede mo siya, oh, ang amazing, no?
Oh, guys.
Then the night she fell, and the air was beautiful. The night she fell all around. So look, see the days, the endless colored waves.
It's spoiled.
Go play the game that you like. From the morning
Tinatanong ko kasi si ate kanina.
Ah.
Ano na yung mga... Kasi si ate Tala pa lang. Madalas
Oo,
umakyat.
nag-hiking yan dati.
Umakyat ka? Isang kamakit.
Lotte, ang ganda ng gawa mo, Ki.
Kasi sulatan mo din namin.
Sulat ako.
Kasama mo yan, hindi pa.
Bahala na sila kahulo ko na sinabi ni ate.
Basta ba tayo?
Paluto na natin.
Pakiluto para may makain ng mga bata.
Hi guys, we're at the Pottery Studio. Yan. Chiding. Ito pa, dragon ba to? And there it is. There it is. Go back. Madam, straight your back, madam.
Ay, sorry. Pag kasi walang video, nakagan. Pag may vlog, nakaganyan. Tapos bigla na camera. Thank you for the support. Ipapaluto na tayo. Gawin na please lang. Mga guest stars. Yan. Ay, sige tayo.
Hello? Okay pa, Jen?
Hindi ko na nai-reaction sa'yo. Parang mababaliw ka.
Ikaw nagsiselfone mo. Pagtingin ko, ikaw ulit. Okay.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night.
Naka-video kasi landscape eh. Tapos yung naririnig sa video,
Rose and rose.
aray ko.
I was waiting for the bus one day. Watched a fight between a Aussie couple escalate. Strawberry cheeks flushed with defeated rage. Then he spilled his coffee as he frantically explained. Maybe if you took a breath, you would hear me when I talk to you. Threw her necklace in his face.
Connect natin. Pwede mo siyang ano dito.
Galing. Nakonect mo na. Dito ako. Fine na.
Ang galing. Parang nakukonvince na talaga akong bumili na ito.
Parang natataiyak.
Minsan wala talaga nagseseryoso sa pamilyang to.
Ay, sorry.
Ang ganda oh. Super.
Skincare ko. At least may skincare. Proper skincare na ako.
Ote, sino daw may utang sa'yo na hindi pa rin nagbabayad hanggang ngayon?
Breaking down, your days getting longer. There's a yellow glass dragon who's chasing you around. Sit your head on a
Lotte, may tosto ka, te.
Namang problema si ate sa pinapanood niya.
Totoo ba yung ano, te? First love never died. Namatay na kasi siya.
Dapat na-videoan yung mukha ni ate. Pagod na talaga.
Naniniwala ako na may song mo lang. Oo.
Iniisip mo lang na...
Mindset lang pala to.
Hindi, kasi nga, hindi niya pa na-explore.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Kaya,
ate.
Hindi, okay lang. Pinapatawad.
One day we'll all be gone. No trace left of this song. You and me, ashes and dust, all that's left of us. And that's been on my mind. No answers there to find. Silly me, thinking too much. There's no medicine to put inside our cups to keep us here long enough. But I'd like to put a fight up, so I'll just stay at the party, dance till my feet hurt, tell all my friends I love them for no reason, just so that one day when I'm not with them, they might remember tonight is alright, 'cause we stayed at the party. Maybe I've got it wrong, and there's something else beyond. It'll be you and I together again, our kindred by now.